So you click on this video is because of this piece. What's up everybody, Amauris Hernandez here. So if you click on this video, it's because you're looking, maybe you're interested into the Explorer 1200 Pro or the Godox AD 1200 Pro. So you upgrade from the 600 or the 400 or even the 300 Pro or the regular Explorer 600. That is up to you to decide, but we're gonna go over to see if this is really for you. I was able to test this behemoth of a light for a good 3 weeks now. I shot a graduation, gender reveal, my friend Mariel, who's a model, and Lenny, who's a model. I'm gonna go straight up with the cons right now. The con is I carry my book bag with the camera gear, then I got this bastard right here. You gotta travel, more gear. More gear, more gear, more gear. Let's see what other con there is. None, I think that's it. That's the only con for me, that is. It's just the weight. More baggage to carry with me to my shoots. I like to go as light as possible, but let's go over some of the pros of this light. Number one is 1200 watts. So it's more than enough light than you ever need, to be honest. It was a rare occasion when I tested this light at full power, and the recycle time is pretty well. For something like this, compared to the Explorer light, I will say 1/8, even 1/16 power. It's more than enough. I'm gonna play a clip so you guys can hear the recycle time of just, you know, like something like that. So you're gonna do freestyle. He's gonna shoot, it's more to test this thing out. All right, guys, so try to pay attention to the sound. I'm gonna try to raise it up so you can actually hear it. I'm close to it as possible. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna just shoot. Ready, go. Come close to the light. Number 2, stronger lights means a bigger modifier. Now that could be a pro and a con depending how much light spread that you want. You can use the Explorer, use the bigger modifier, but you gotta bring it more closer to the subject. In this case, I could keep it at a distance, like if it was 6 p.m. per se, for that, or something like a sunset shoot with the Explorer, and keep it at a safe distance. Right now, like where this light is, about 3 to 4 feet per se. It gets the job done, and this is more than enough power. I don't think I need something this fast. Now, if I was doing commercial shoots and stuff of that nature, if it's fast-paced, I can see myself needing a behemoth light like this. But to make decisions easier, I can just grab my Explorer, throw an ND filter on there, and use the most out of this light for recycle time purposes. Because, you know, time is money, and you don't want to waste too much time waiting on your light to recycle. So if this is something that you feel that you need for the recycle purpose, because everything you do is fast paced and you need to be on top of what's going on, and you want no gimmicks, no hiccups, none of that crap, I actually say go with this light. Now for me, I'm a slow pace photographer. Everything's all steady and calm. I'm fine with the Explorer. Now it's up to you to decide to see which light do you prefer. The Explorer 600 or even the 400 Pro or the Explorer 1200 Pro. If you are interested in this light, I put the description below, straight from ADORAMA. I am an affiliate, so I do get a kickback. But yeah, I do recommend this light. It's just not for me. I just like to carry less baggage. Everything in one book bag. Even the Explorer fits in my book bag. That's how I like to travel, light as possible. If this is for you, give this video a thumbs up. If this wasn't for you, comment down below why. Maybe your reasons are the same as mine. You don't need too much baggage to come, you know, to carry along. But let me know down below what your thoughts are. I've seen a few people ask me about this light because they know I have it. And I can't, to be honest, I can't give you a straight answer. For me, it all depends on what your needs are. And for your needs, do you need this light? That is all for me today. Stay tuned for the next video. My name is Amauris, and I'm outie.